Good morning, Grizzlies. I'm here today to talk to you a little bit about growth. I'm standing by one of our banners right across from the lunch line where we talk about how much better we can do. To me, it's all about the growth. If you look over here, Granite Park, in the last 2 years' data has shown that they've grown more than any other school. Yeah, we're not at the top yet, we don't have the highest scores, but to me it's about growth. It doesn't matter where you're at, how far can you grow. And that's what we're trying to get you to do in your planners here as you've been filling out this information on your SRI scores, your OR scores, and your Moby Max scores, and had each one of you individually set a goal for how much you can grow this year. We have a school-wide goal of 1.5, meaning you're going to grow a year and a half, not just 1 year, but a year and a half or more. So as you set those goals, we're trying to get you to be able to talk about them in a moment's notice. That's why we have these wristbands, class of 2020, 2018, 2019. Those are indicators to us that you can say what your goal, that you know your goal, because there's a lot of power in taking ownership of your own growth. We're going to reward those who achieve those goals that they set for themselves individually. If you can tell us what your goal is in the lunch line, we're going to skip you right up to the front. But you have to have your wristband on. So if you have your wristband for this week, anytime if one of the administrators let you in the lunch line, you can say what your goal is. And we might ask Moby Math, we might ask SRI. If you can say that, you're going to skip to the front of the lunch line. We know there's power in you guys knowing what your goals are, and we know that you can achieve them. So let's get those wristbands and wear them. Thank you.
Thank you. Okay.
Today after school, there's a debate in Miss Coviello's room. You better be sorry.
They get my point.
No, they don't.
Yeah, they do.
No, they don't.
Shut.
You should. So, if you like
Debate is pretty much just arguing, but
I was gonna ask if they like to argue. And then tomorrow night, there's a choir, band, orchestra, and dance concert.
Hot night, wind was blowing. Where you think you're going, baby? Hey, I just met you.
Choir, band, orchestra, and dance is tomorrow night at 7. There's one rule that you have to know about this concert, and that is your parents have to show up with you. If you come by yourself, it's not okay. And it's free.
there will not be food, so
Just so you know.
yeah. Okay, and Friday there's the reward activity.
You have to have A's, B's, and C's.
Then there's Mesa. It's usually today, but
This week is on Thursday, so you can watch a solar eclipse.
solar eclipse.
You're watching it on Thursday,
Yes.
just so you
That
know.
would mean our Earth would burn.
Tiffany's
Earth
alarm.
would explode.
You're a
Earth
giraffe.
would explode.
Dude, I saw the most amazing thing. There's that. There's